The Emblem 2.0 bulk minting tool is live. Today I'm going to take you through how to use this tool. So you're going to go to Emblem.Vision and select bulk. You're going to come down, choose the collection, in this case Rare Pepe, choose the asset because it is an ERC 1155 collection, and how many vaults you would like to mint of that specific collection. You're going to come down and click create. And you're going to wait just a little bit. Just for your information, it takes about 20 seconds per vault for the seed of the vault to generate. You can leave the tab open, but leave the page at the time while everything loads. Once the addresses are generated per vault, you're going to see these multiple deposit addresses. In this case, we are vaulting Rare Pepe, so you're going to copy an address, go over to Free Wallet and type that address into the page. You're going to send one, and I'll repeat this again, one asset per vault for Rare Pepe and most Emblem collections. And you're just going to go ahead and repeat this process no matter if you're minting a Bitcoin Ordinals collection, a Counterparty collection, a Solana NFT collection, or an Ethereum collection, using whatever process is related to that NFT and blockchain. So I'm gonna go ahead and forward this a little bit so you could just see that process that happens. Once you go ahead and send all of the assets in, you will see this loading page. For Bitcoin assets, you have to wait one block for all of the assets to deposit. But once they do, you will see that it says deposit received, and you'll be ready to mint all of the vaults. So once you see that green check mark, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom and click continue to next step. You'll be presented with a ready to mint. It'll show all the token IDs for all of the vaults, and you're gonna come down and click mint. There's going to be a gasless signature required to mint the vaults, and then there's going to be a gas transaction where you're going to pay the vaulting fee per vault. Once you go ahead and click close, you're going to mint the vaults, and you'll see that the executing bulk mint transaction is at the bottom. Once it is completed, there will be a success page. It takes about 2 seconds per vault to mint. So once the vaults are minted, you can go ahead and view the vault. This will take you inside of the vault, and you could go ahead and view it on OpenSea, and there you are. Your bulk mints are completed.